No astronaut has been to the moon since the days of Apollo program. The Apollo program was very special, but that was 50 years ago, and at long last, America is back. The Artemis crew flew in the most powerful rocket NASA has ever made, ever launched. Traveled over 250,000 miles, broke the distance record set by the legendary Apollo 13. America is a frontier nation, and the four brave astronauts of Artemis II are a modern day, you really are modern day pioneers. We'll plant our flag once again, and this time we won't just leave footprints, we'll establish a permanent presence on the moon, and we'll push on to Mars. America will be second to none in space and everything else that we're doing, and we will continue to lead this incredible journey into the stars